take questions in like 3 different voices.
Today, we bring you the Pretty Princess makeup. Let me ask you something. Miss Jazzer, do you have a daughter?
I do.
Well, do you want to give her the best things ever?
Always.
Well, this is what you'd buy her for Christmas, for everything. If she got married, this is what you'd buy her for a reception. You'd buy this for everything that you could think of. Let me tell you what. First, what we have here, well, I'll let Jacob take over this. Let's go over an overview of the basic products.
Okay, first we took pictures of the part and decided, hey, there's some things that are wrong with it. We can fix some things, like when every time you opened it, this little lid and it kept snapping off. So we had to improve that. So what we did to improve it is we drilled a hole through the little clip holder. Then we took a pin, stuck the pin in there, and hey, it don't fall off anymore. Imagine that.
It's very, very safe for children now.
It is. It is. Then we came up with the price and things like that. And then,
You want me to do the price?
yeah.
See, the price for one of these fantastic, fantastic pieces that you can buy for your daughter or son, if your son likes that. I'm not here to judge you and how you judge your kids, but what you have is 22 cents raw material, 22 cents raw material for just one of these delectable things. Absolutely, absolutely magnificent. For about 10,000 of these things, since we're gonna, mass produce it and get China to ship this out, to Norway, to other people to enlighten their kids, it'd be about $2,200.11. Give or take a few cents or so. The base makeup piece, it's the majority since it had the most plastic. ABS plastic is actually what we're made out of. It's about $1,849.65. The lid, not much, $292.05. The pen, which is our special thing we brought to this project, only $58. Look how much we're saving for the environment. We're saving a great bunch of plastic. So, on top of being kid-friendly, this is environment-friendly. Another thing is the dimensions. This piece right here, handheld. Can you believe that? It's handheld. It fits in your palm. It's only about, full assembly, about 0.004 mass. 0.004 mass. I don't think you can comprehend that if you don't know math, but that's less than probably that phone you have right there. The lid, the volume is only 0.015 inches cubed. That is magnificent. That is very, very thin, if you didn't know that. And I tell you what, on top of everything, our little drawings right here, absolutely neat. It tells you the products, tells you the details of the products, the dimensions, which are fantastic, I might add. See, look at this. 0.11 for that little diameter right there. So it's not that big. You're not going to catch your finger or anything in it. It's not a hazard to you or your children. Won't even pinch you. Won't even pinch you. This little pin we put in there. You can see we have a rough demonstration right here. We put a little paper clip is what we called it. We're gonna market that and give it a new name. But we put this in here. You can see this isn't as safe as our prototype 0.20 because this is actually sharp. Some would say if their child isn't a man or tough, it'd be sharp. But see this pin right here, completely flat. It goes with it. It is dimensioned to go with it, so none of it will actually be outside of these two hinges.
So it's no danger. No danger
to your kids whatsoever.
No toxic
another
paint.
thing we need to no toxic paint, because we're going to actually get a good deal with China, and we're going to be like, you know what, you shouldn't use this lead paint, because lead paint is dangerous for children. So we're watching out for you. We're watching out for you this holiday season. Another thing we should say, is that not only can you play with it to your heart's content, Mr. Yaiser will actually probably want one of these, because he's a giant fan. But you can also decal it. If you look here, it's a little bit, we had to open it up so I can't show you no, there's a decal right there. There's a princess detail. Can you not see that princess decal right there?
Oh, man.
Yeah, that princess decal. You can put one on the back, just empty surface area. Put one on the inside. You can even, if you wanted to, you could paint this different colors to make your little Susie. That's your name, right? Kid's name, Susie?
Yes.
Susie. Oh, yeah. See, on top of everything, I'm a great guesser. But you can paint it different colors. You can paint it different colors, too. So different makeup. They could have some blush. What other makeup is there? Eyeshadow.
Lipstick.
They can come out and they can look, like a clown if they wanted to. We support that because, that is more inventiveness on their part.
Clowns make people smile.
They do. Your kid will make people smile too in their kindergarten class. I tell you what. Another thing we did.
Wrap it up, Brandon.
Okay. Well, as you can see, our piece is what you should definitely buy for your holiday season. There are several improvements. It's very ergonomic. It's very environment safe, and that's all.